Today let us see how to use a keyed laptop lock. This is really useful when you are using your laptop at public places like coffee shops, hotels, bus stations, train stations, etc. Once the laptop is locked with your desk or bench where you are seated, nobody can take it without the key. Today I am having a Kensington lock. This lock has four parts: the lock, key, iron wire following to the loop. If you check the laptop on the side, you can see a rectangle slot with a lock symbol. This is where you will attach the keyed lock to the laptop. Attach lock to the laptop. First, you have to turn the key so the lock will be in the unlocked state where all the three pins are in line. Now, insert the lock to the laptop slot. Turn the key to the lock mode, then take back the key. To lock the laptop with any table or any other holder, pass the long wire around it and insert the lock into the loop. Then attach the lock to the laptop. Lock it with the key and take the key safely with you. Thanks for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to let us know your comments on this. This will help us to improve a lot. Thanks a lot.